What's up, guys? This is What is up, guys? This is IpodAppboy, and I'm sitting in a parking lot at a Hannaford, at a place near me, in a car, waiting for my person that I'm driving with to get out of the store. And we're here at Hannaford at 11:33 p.m. and I'm just saying, I have a bag that holds nothing but the truth. Right here, MacBook Pro. I don't need to get into too much detail with that. And I got a good deal. I got iWork with it. I don't know how that's gonna be, but I decided to get it, and I'd rather have that one, and I got also, Best Buy gives you a $100 gift card when you buy the Mac from them, and they give you $100 off the laptop. Got a great deal from Best Buy. Check them out if you want to get a MacBook. So yeah, guys, I'm right here, and I'm really tempted to just take it out and unbox it right now, but I'm probably gonna wait. Well, yeah, I'm gonna wait until I get home, but there it is, the MacBook Pro. Right there. I'm gonna unbox it when I get home. So guys, I'll see you when I get home. I'm probably gonna edit this movie with iMovie, but we'll find out. I'll see you guys later. Peace. MacBook Pro. Apple power, son. Alright, peace out. Alright guys, I'm home. What's up? IpodAppboy is here with the MacBook Pro unboxing, and I got a bunch of other stuff. Not really, just a few. Not too many other things. I don't know where I'm gonna set this up. Obviously not gonna work. I'll just film me do whatever. This is the MacBook Pro. Precision aluminum unibody enclosure. It's an Intel Core i5 dual-core processor and Thunderbolt high-speed I/O. Trying to get this done quickly. 2.3 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 processor, 3 MB shared level 3 cache, 4 GB of 133 MHz. DDR3 SD RAM, 320 GB hard drive, 3.13 inches diagonal widescreen display, backlit widescreen display, HD graphics, all that good stuff. Holy crap, what the hell's going on? Built-in FaceTime HD cam, DVD-ROM and Thunderbolt port supports high-speed I/O and mini DisplayPort devices. Yeah. Let's see. It's got speakers, built-in speakers, Wi-Fi, obviously, backlit keyboard, and pre-installed Macs, OS X, and iLife. And that's all you really need to know. So let's open this. Let's open this bad boy up. Before I start there, let's see what I got in the bag, the Best Buy bag. I got, ooh, that's nice. iWork comes with Pages 09, Numbers 09, and Keynote 09. Obviously, I got iWorks 09. It was about $80, and I also got, with the Mac, a free $100 Best Buy gift card. So yes, this was the deal, like, for all students. All students, you get a $100 Best Buy gift card and $100 off the laptop. So it was a pretty great deal. So yep, there it is. Let's open this thing up. Nice picture. Alright, I'm gonna try to peel the sticker off with my sharp nails. Here we go. Hold on a sec, guys. Okay. Oh, upside down. MacBook Pro, 13-inch LED backlit widescreen notebook. Holy hell, that is excellent. Says right there, designed by Apple in California. Alright, hold on a sec, guys. Okay, I put the MacBook on my bed for a minute. Right there, MacBook Pro. Comes with the, you know, extension, the cable, the power cable, obviously. What doesn't come with that? And it comes with the extension cords. This is the charger, and that's the extension cord. And that's what it comes with in there. And then when it comes to this stuff, let's see what we got in here. I'm pretty sure all you Mac people know you have everything Mac, which is a, you know, manual, obviously, and everything else, which is it's got the reinstallation discs, and pretty sure, right? Yeah, it's got the reinstallation discs, more information about it, and the warranty stuff, and the stickers, as most Apple products come with that. Anyway, let's get this box, set it over here for a short period of time. Gotta get ready to sit down so I don't fall down when I open it. It is backwards. Excellent. Okay. Don't you just love a new computer? Especially when it's a Mac. What the hell's going on? Hold on a sec, guys. Okay, guys, that's a MacBook Pro. To open this thing up, oh my gosh, you open it, and there it is, right there. What's up, guys? Peace. This is the thing, you know, it was probably on the screen before. Nice little keyboard. The speakers, as always, are over here. Hold on, let's boot it up. Oh my gosh. Burn. Apple thing. I'm pretty sure you all know what this is. Pretty sick, right? I think it's pretty sick. Here we go. I'm obviously going to use English for my main language. Gray. Holy grayness. No way. Yeah, I'm sorry. This song is definitely catchy, yo. Sounds like the speakers are somewhere over here or in the back. That's sick. In the back, maybe. I don't know, somewhere. That's a sick backlit keyboard. Obviously from the United States. US. Continue. Do you already own a Mac? No. No, I don't really. I've never owned a Mac. I've never owned one before, so. Continue. Today, Junior. Links. Yep, that's my network. Configuring your computer. Alright guys, I think you know my point. I'm gonna set this stuff up later, guys. This is the MacBook Pro unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and tell your friends about me and everything like that who like application reviews. Yeah, I do app reviews, unboxings, giveaways, and all that good stuff. So yes guys, this is my MacBook Pro unboxing. So peace out. This is IpodAppboy. I'm probably gonna edit in iMovie, not sure yet. But alright guys, peace out. IpodAppboy is out. Peace guys. I love you all. You know, I love you as my fans. Alright, peace.